burn a little bit. Is it burning? No? Are you a big girl? Alright. Oh wait, this was the old one. Yes.
Do you need a new diaper?
Yes. She can't go naked.
Bless you.
Can't go naked.
God bless
Is
you.
this the... Oh, it's just wet right there. Okay. It's under, yeah.
Hi, Madeline. It's great to have Sir. Oh, she's smiling.
Hey, girl.
Oh, look. Hey, baby. Smile for Grandma.
She's like, I'm about to poop.
We can get that on video.
Hey. She seems to smile in here in her nursery.
She loves her nursery.
Hey, baby.
Let's take a look at this nursery.
Hey, baby. Oh, your mama's here. You want to smile for the camera? You want to smile again?
Pretty girl. Let's look how nice these doors are, Madeline, that your mommy got all fixed up. Mommy did such a good job. Everything's so nice and neat.
I want to put labels on them, but I guess it's time now.
In your closet.
She's just smiling.
Did she smile? Is it smiling? Hello, my darling. You're so... Oh. She's so happy, Cece.
Madeline.
There, I get farther away because her eyes are crossing.
She's looking at these ladybugs.
Hey, darling.
You hungry?
Like little Cece.
You hungry, baby? Yeah, I think she is.